Kling 3 just dropped, and the results are honestly insane. It's already outperforming most video generators out there. But here's the crazy part. I found a way to bypass the paywall and use the latest Kling 3 completely free, unlimited, and uncensored. And it gets even better. With this method, you can maintain 100% character consistency across your images and videos. That means the same character, the same look, and the same style every single time. If you stick till the end, I'll break down every detail about this hidden tool and all the powerful features it offers. And if you're interested in making serious money with AI, just comment, "I want the document." My AI bot will detect it and instantly send it to you. Now, let's dive in. Okay, so we've all heard about Kling 3, the latest model that just recently dropped by Kling AI. Now, on this platform called Higgsfield.ai, you'll be able to generate hyper-realistic videos. Not only that, but you can actually access Kling 3 for unlimited use and for free without paying a dime. Yep, you heard me right. This is not cap, but it is a limited offer, and I do advise that you grab the exclusive offer on Higgsfield. If you scroll down, you can see a lot of realistic videos generated using the latest Kling 3. Take a look at this particular video. Okay, so that was the result. You can see how realistic it is, the lip sync, the voice movement, everything looks hyper realistic, and it doesn't even look AI generated. This was created using Kling 3 on Higgsfield.ai. Now let's go back and look at more videos generated using Kling. This particular video is extremely realistic. The body movements, the camera movement, the physics, and the skin texture all look completely natural and don't appear AI generated. If I didn't tell you this was generated, you probably wouldn't even guess. If you scroll down, you can see multiple videos and image-to-video generations. With Kling, you can recreate these videos or generate your own custom ones, which we'll be doing in this video. Now go back to the Explore page. For us to start generating videos, we need to generate images first. Simply click on the Generate Image icon. Over here, you can see a variety of realistic images. This means you're not limited to videos, you can also generate realistic images on this same platform. Now, this is the image we'll be using for our video. I generated it in a previous video, and I'll use it to create a realistic animation with Kling 3. Simply click on Animate, then set the model to Kling 3 and leave the prompt as it is. This was the previous prompt I tested earlier, so I'll just type it in again. The prompt simply says that she dances while people walk by her. Once that's done and everything is in check, you can set the resolution. You can go up to 1080p, and you can also increase the duration up to 15 seconds, which is truly impressive. Now scroll down and make sure everything is correct. I'll leave it at 720p due to the speed of video generation. Ensure the model is set to Kling 3, then click Generate. Now our video is currently being generated. Okay, our video is done generating. Let's take a quick look. You can see the level of realism. It looks truly stunning. There's even some background movement to make it feel more natural. There is no morphing or distortion. The physics and motion all look next level. Now for our next video, there's another amazing feature I'd like to talk about, the Elements feature. Maintaining character consistency across multiple images or videos is really difficult. But with this feature, you can create new elements and upload 4 to 5 images or videos of a character. Then you can generate consistent characters across different scenes. For those running AI influencer or AI marketing accounts, this is very useful. Take a look at this character I was able to generate. You can simply click Use Element, and it will apply it for you. Now let me generate a different video. I'll go back to the image icon. For this next example, I'll use this image I generated using Nano Banana Pro. As you can see, she looks hyper realistic. I'll click on the animate icon, set the model to Kling 3 as usual, and then delete the prompt. Remember, the Elements feature is only for images or characters where you want 100% consistency across multiple images or videos. If you want them to look the same without morphing or distortion, you should use the Elements feature. Now I'll enter the prompt. For this one, I'll go with facial expressions to test how well it handles subtle movements. Once that's done, I'll leave the quality at 3 seconds. Remember, you can increase it up to 15 seconds if you want. Scroll down and click generate. It might take a bit longer because a lot of people are using this tool right now, so just be patient. Okay, our video is done generating. If you look closely, you can see the facial expressions. She moves her face perfectly. The blinking, the smile, it looks truly stunning and hyper-realistic. Now, you can also generate sound and other effects with Kling 3. Currently, it's one of the top-ranking video generation models. On Higgsfield.ai, you can access this model for free and unlimited use for a limited time. Take a look at this video I generated. You can hear the sound effects, see the physics, and the realism looks incredible. I created this with the latest Kling 3 on the platform, and I've generated many more videos that look just as realistic. Be sure to check it out. This offer is only available for a limited time, and the link will be in the description. Thank you!